Hi everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. So today what are we going to talk about? Yeah, you can see in this background like I have written it's Corona time. The whole world is suffering from Corona. And now in this video we will see like how to protect ourselves from this really dangerous disease. The only solution is self-distancing. Yes, the whole world is suffering from corona disease. Corona is a virus. Look. So kids, what is corona? This corona is a virus actually. The virus is primarily spreading between people during close contact, often via small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing, and talking too. The droplets usually fall to the ground or onto the surface rather than remaining in the air over long distance. People may also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching their face. The common symptoms are fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, and loss of smell. Complications may include pneumonia and acute respiratory distress syndrome. So, you will ask, what is the treatment, right? There is no treatment, no vaccines, only preventive measures. Only we can do is we have to take preventive measures. What are the preventive measures? First is frequent hand wash. Hand wash should be done with the soap and not simple hand wash. Soap, like when you rub the hands with the soap, the viruses get washed off with the water itself. And next is self-distancing. Here I have mentioned self-distancing is only solution. And wearing mask. Yes, we have seen in the video how to make a mask. You have to make the mask and take this preventive measure. The last thing I could say is you have to stay home. Self-isolation is very important. Stay home, stay safe. Kids, it's very important to know what is this virus. Simple virus structure is different from COVID-19, that is coronavirus. In simple virus, you can see this structure. This is a protein coat. This is genetic material, that is DNA, and this is rod-like structure which the virus protect itself, and these are the tails it can swim in our blood anywhere. Coronavirus mainly if it goes inside the lungs, so you get the disease. For example, it goes inside your mouth and it goes to your stomach. There is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which is a gastric juices produced in our stomach that kills the virus. So the COVID-19, the coronavirus structure is like this. Inside this structure, this thread-like thing is RNA plus nucleoprotein, and this is glycoprotein spikes, and this is protein coat. So this is called a pandemic. COVID-19, coronavirus. This 19 is the year which it started. This disease is named as coronavirus disease. Virus strain is SARS-CoV-2. This is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Source: bats or pangolins. First outbreak? Yes, everyone knows. It's China. Treatment? No. Yes, the treatment is no vaccine, self-distancing, and boosting immunity. You have to boost your immune power so that you can really protect yourself from this disease. Immunity boosting is you have to eat immune boosting stuff mostly ginger, garlic. Your mother knows it best. So you can. So kids, today we'll make a mask. The materials required is a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. So we will start making the mask now. First, open the handkerchief and fold it. First fold, second fold. Take one rubber band, put at one end and another at that end. Guys, you know who is making this mask? That's my brother. He's just 7 years old and he knows to make the mask. So kids, you can also make the mask in your home. Fold one end at another rubber band and other end into this side rubber band. Yeah, now that's it. Mask is ready. Turn it over. Yes, this size can fit to your face. This covers your nose and mouth. And these are the two things you can hang it on over your ears. Thank you. So this is the mask. It's very easy and very simple. Kids, you can make it on your own. You need no help from your parents. So kids, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe our video.